Guys, ito binili ko siya sa Abdul Wahid Electronics. Hello mga ka-YouTubers, so welcome back to my channel. So we're going to do another unboxing video, guys. Recently bought a new gadget, which is Samsung brand again, kasi alam mo na, Samsung fanatic tayo. So stay tuned guys kung ano yung unbox natin. Okay guys, ito binili ko siya sa Abdul Wahid Electronics kasi yesterday is galing akong Kubar, so nag-ikot-ikot ako doon. So ito yung kita ko. Of course the receipt is here. And this is it, guys. Samsung Level Box Slim. It's a speaker, it's a Bluetooth speaker. Naka-offer siya. Ayan, papakita ko yung picture, guys. So yan siya, guys. It's a original price will be 300 plus real, and then it was offered for a 99 real. So almost like 75% off. Kasi although hindi naman na ito latest na Bluetooth device ng Samsung, alam ko wala pa silang nire-release na bagong model after this. So pagkakaalam ko pero ito nga siya, guys. 99 real sa Abdul Wahid. I-box natin, guys. Okay, so now i-cut na natin siya. So ito muna siya sa taas. Okay. Ito pa siya dito. Ito pa siya dito sa ilalim. So, let's open it, guys. Oh. Alright guys, so ito ang box. So, makikita nyo dyan, ang sabi is it's a waterproof. Again, syempre, waterproof siya, pwede sa salt water. So, it means hindi siya pwede sa dagat. So, yun yung kanyang disclaimer. It has a 2,600 mAh battery. And then, pocket size. So, ibig sabihin, kasya to sa bulsa ninyo, sa mga bag or anything. Kasi kaya nga, box slim ang tawag sa kanya, nga maliit siya. And also, ang sa amin dyan is water resistant battery, charging 1,600 mAh, and pocket size with super sound. So, testing din natin, guys, after the unboxing. I-test din natin kung maganda nga talaga ba yung sound quality niya, kung talagang sulit na ba siya sa presyong 99 real. So nakat na natin yung kanyang seal. Pag binuksan nyo yung box, guys, the first thing you'll see is sabi dyan, let's go. And then pag tinanggal natin yung let's go, so makikita na natin ang mismong pinaka speaker. This is it, guys. Ayan. So ito siya. I-aside muna natin yan dyan. Of course, hindi mawawala ang quick start guide. Okay. And you have, of course, USB to USB. Guys, I forgot to mention din pala na it's also serve a power bank. So diba, so speaker na siya, and then power bank din siya, so charge your phones. And then of course, ang kanyang charging cable, yun lang siya, guys. Yun lang ang laman niya. Yan na, guys, nothing else. So let's proceed to the speaker itself, guys. So ito siya, ito na yung pinaka speaker. So tanggalin lang muna natin yung kanyang seal, kasi may seal pa siya. So pati tinanggal. Yung pinakamaganda pa nag-unboxing, pagtanggal ng mga plastic. Okay, so ito na, guys. This is the speaker. 8 watts. 8 watts. 8, basta 8W ang sabi kung gaano siya kalakas. Ito, dalawa nandito. And then you have the Samsung logo here. On the top corner, you will see a level branding for their speakers. And then you have this pairing Bluetooth. ito yung para sa Bluetooth. So, long press para i-pair mo siya sa phone mo. And then, this is the volume. Okay? Volume, minus and plus. And this is the power button. So, on, off. Okay? And then, after that, you will see here a microphone. So guys, so if ever na naka-connect yung phone nyo and then may tumawag sa inyo, so this one serves also is a speaker. So pwede kayo makipag-usap dito. Okay? It's either pag naliligo kayo, if mahilig kayong maligo ng may sound trip sa loob ng banyo, katulad ko. So pwede ito guys. Ayan. May tumawag sa inyo. So, ayun nga. Pwede kayo makipag-usap sa kanya kasi nga it has a built-in microphone over here. And also this one guys, yun nga, kung gusto nyo mag-charge ng phone, pwede to. So dito kayo mag-charge. The back, so you can just flip this. Okay, yan. So pwede nyo siyang patayuin ng ganyan. Pinaka-stand niya guys. Side you have this LED indicator. So dito nyo malalaman guys kung gano'n ilang battery na lang yung natitira. So it has a 4 LED notification. So testing natin guys ang kanyang sounds. Okay guys, so ito nga guys, testing natin yung sounds niya. Okay guys, so yan, na-testing natin guys yung kanyang sound. Malakas rin. Pwede na. Not bad for 99 real. Hindi sabog. Hindi din siya tunog lata. Buong buo yung sounds niya. Okay, so may enjoy ko to. Habang nagsashower, habang nagsasabon. So ito guys, so yan. Ito yung Samsung Level Box Slim unboxing. And there you have it guys. So thank you so much guys for watching for another unboxing. So maganda naman ang sounds quality niya guys. So maraming salamat again. So for those who are not yet subscribed on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and share this video. Link kayo nito, i-share nyo na yun sa comment section below. Okay, and for those who are subscribed on my channel, so thank you so much guys for always supporting my channel. And that's it guys, so see you next time. Bye bye.